Good afternoon. The topic for today is engineering as experiment. Engineering can be viewed as a form of social experimentation where new technologies and designs are tested and refined through an iterative process, much like the scientific experiment. This involves designing, testing, and refining solutions, acknowledging that unexpected outcomes and risks are inherent in the process. Engineers therefore have a responsibility to consider potential impacts, ensure safety, and obtain informed consent when introducing new technologies to the society. Experimentation plays an important role in the process of designing the product. When it is decided to change a new engineering concept into its rough design, preliminary test or simulation should be conducted. Using formal experimental method, the material and methods of designing are tried out. These tests may be based on more detailed design. The test for designing should be evolved till the final product is produced. Beyond these tests and experiment, each engineering project can be viewed as an experiment. Although the experiments and the results are uncertain, there are few things which an engineer is ought to keep in mind. Consider the following points. We have to maintain the safety of human beings. We have to procure the rights of consent to keep them aware regarding the experimental nature of the project, to warn them about the probable safety hazards, should monitor the results of experiment continuously, having autonomy in conducting experiments, accepting accountability for the results of the project, exhibiting their technical competence and other characteristics of professionalism. Understanding engineering experiments, the definition of engineering experiments, the various hypotheses, control studies to evaluate and validate concept design or material. Importance of experimentation. Experiments provide empirical evidence that informs decision, reduce risk. Type of experiments. Experiment can be classified into different types such as laboratory, field test, and simulations. The experimentation process, identifying objective, define objectives and hypotheses to focus the experiment, designing the experiment, select methods and tools while minimizing variables, conduct the experiment, execute meticulously to gather accurate data, analyzing results, statistically analyze these results to draw conclusions. So we start with design, fabrication and assembly, then we design the prototype, then the final design, then manufacture, and finally the field study. This is a flow of engineering as experiments. Challenges in engineering experiment. Resource limitations. Conduct experiments can be costly and time consuming. Complexity of variables. Engineering systems involve multiple interactive variables. Engineers must consider ethical implications, especially without affecting the environment. Future of engineering experiment. Integration of AI and machine learning enhances predictive capability and optimizes design sustainability force. Innovative design that reduce ecological footprint, collaboration and open innovation, sharing data on open platform for cross-disciplinary problem solving. Conclusion, embracing experimentation in engineering enhances problem solving skills and adaptability to technological change. It promotes resilience, which is essential for addressing complex challenges. Cultivating innovation. Engineering as an experiment encourages a culture of innovation and continuous improvement, fostering resilience. The iterative nature of engineering experiment fosters resilience and flexibility, striving breakthroughs. Promoting an experimental mindset can lead to breakthrough that improves the societal outcomes. So what are the key differences from standard experiment? In standard experiment, researchers have more control over variable and subjects in engineering, and users and the environment often have more influence. Engineering projects often have practical goal, while standard experiment focus on testing hypothesis. While both involve experimentation, engineering projects are often more complex and involves a wide range of stakeholder and ethical consideration. So we come to the end of this presentation. We have seen engineering as Experimentation. So engineering involves experimentation to improve products through trial and error. So engineering engineers test preliminary simulations, and once it is evolved, they go for final test. In the simulation, conduct formal experiments on material and process to develop the final product. So engineering work can narrow moral vision, but engineers should remain conscious of unexpected adverse impact and responsible to the public. We come to the end of this session. Thank you.